Hi, welcome back to crystaljohnston.com.au, where I give you any information that I have and I let you know about some of the things that I sell on my website, some of the things that I hope that you'd be interested in, hints and tips and tricks of the trade as well. However, right now I just really want to get into something I'm really excited about, which are these little packs that we're selling at the moment. So they come in black and white. And what we get in this pack, we get a product scoop. We get a spatula for like stirring the tints, stirring the colors, stirring the bleach. We get a comb with the slicer, comb and a spatula, which is great for all your coloring needs. It also comes with this awesome tint brush. Love this tint brush. I love the bristles on the brush. They're really soft. They're really smooth. Very precise kind of a coloring. It's not like a slip, slop, slap kind of a color. It's really precise, you know. It evens out the distribution of color as long as you're not blobbing it on, and just makes for a really nice color application, to be honest with you. Really nice color application. We have these non-slip bowls, so may tip, no slip, no tricks, which is great also. And then last but not least, we all know how much I love to foil, so I know everybody's probably seen these lately. They're really popular at the moment. It's got the slicer, we've got a comb, and then it comes in two different size foils, like you can dip. So perhaps what I'll do, I will do a little video and show you guys how to actually use this kind of a comb. So again, if that's something that really interests you, head to crystaljohnston.com.au.